guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another haul video. Now this is like my extended poojo haul, some stuff which I bought during and a little after poojo, and I just want to share that with you guys. There's some makeup, miscellaneous items, clothing, etc. And guys, just a disclaimer, by no means am I telling you guys or forcing you guys to buy the stuff which I'm showing. It's just something which I have bought to try and test it out, and I'm just showing it to you guys, and that's that. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually jump into this video. So guys, if you can hear any external noise, please just ignore that. It's actually raining outside while I'm filming, so I can't help that. If you like my makeup look, which I have right here, then make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Both the handles will be linked here on the screen. And now let's actually jump into the haul. So starting off with the main stuff, that is makeup. Now I do not have much makeup, I guess. I have only 3 makeup items. The first products of the haul which I have are these. Now these are liquid eyeshadow from this brand called Rozille or Rozille. I do not know, I've heard the name of this brand for the first time. Now I didn't buy this has been gifted to me. Now there are 2 shades over here in the shade 02 and 05. One is a little bit champagne and one is a little bit more rose goldy. The rose goldy one I have on my eyelids right now, if you can see. Now this is what the outer packaging looks like, and they are quite big eyeshadows, you guys. This is what the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow looks like, and this is what the Rozille one looks like. It's literally almost double the size and double the quantity. So the quantity is no joke. This is what the applicator looks like. It has a nice doe foot applicator, and when you swatch it, you know, it comes here like this. It is a good product, all in all. It's a good product, just that I feel it's a little patchy. I mean, the glitter specks are not concentrated together. It kind of separates when you apply it. So to get this opaqueness, I had to apply it like 3 to 4 times to get this. So I feel the quantity here is justified for the price that you're paying as well. But it is a good product. There are a couple of shades available, and if you just want to try out a liquid eyeshadow, and if you want to just experiment, you can go for this one. Now the next item which I have is surprise, it's this. This is the Insights Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick in the shade 22 Autumn. Now this has again been gifted to me by my friend Tanisha, and I'm really glad that she got this. These liquid lipsticks are really good. Like, for the price you're paying, it's a steal, like literally a steal, and the shade range available is very good as well. And I've worn this a couple of times, and the longevity and the texture of it is just chef's kiss. So I really like it, and it's a no-brainer. Just close your eyes and buy one of these. These are great. So guys, if you like anything, whatever I'm showing in this haul, make sure you check out the description box. I'll give all the links over there. The next product which I have is a mascara. This is the Mars mascara. It's their Fabulash mascara. I saw a lot of creators and influencers really raving about this product, so I thought might as well give it a try. So this is how the packaging looks like. It looks really luxe, the rose gold cap and all. It looks really nice, and it has a really thick and fat wand. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a twisted little curled wand, and the mascara, the formula is great. I again have this mascara on my eyes right now. The only thing which I do not like about this mascara is the wand. Many people may like this wand because of how fat it is and how it's going to coat your eyelashes at once. I personally do not like that. I like my wands to be a little bit thinner, you know, so that I can get more precision. The mascara formula in itself is really good. It just is going to provide you with such a nice length and the tiniest bit of volume, just how I like it. And it will not make your lashes clumpy either. And the mascara formula is great. So you should definitely check this out. The next and the final makeup product which I have was supposed to be very special because it's from a brand owned by an Indian YouTuber. Yes, I got the 20-something face palette. Now this is owned by Nidhi Katyar. It's her brand and she's an Indian YouTuber. So I thought, what better than supporting a fellow creator. I am really kind of disappointed in this product. Like, nothing, no shade or hate against the brand. But this product feels really cheap. The quality feels really flimsy, like it's made of cardboard, but it feels like cheap cardboard, honestly. And then the paper is coming off. It's not, you know, adhered properly. And also the 20-something ka logo is coming off. The quality of the packaging in general is really cheap, so I do not like that. Now coming to the actual product itself, this really reminds me of the MAC face palettes for some reason. Now this has like 11 shades, and you'll get this for rupees 350, which is, I guess, half decent. I feel all in all the concept was pretty cool. The execution was really bad, and when you're charging 350 rupees for a product, at least give something better. So the next item which I have is a clothing item, and it is gifted to me by my friend Mahashweta, and this is what the item looks like. Now this is an off-shoulder top from Brand Factory, and it's in the size XL. Now this is a little loose on me, I will say that, but it's a very beautiful floral off-shoulder top, and the color specifically, I do not have anything in this color yet, and and I'm really excited to wear it out. The material of this is quite comfortable as well. It does not have any double lining or anything, but it's not a see-through top either. You can wear it on your neck, or you can also keep it as off shoulder. On your neck, it will have just a square cut. Over here, you can see it has like these laces of sort, so you can just tie it around and it just gives it a more blingy look in general. All in all, I really like this top and I cannot wait to wear it outside. So the next clothing item which I have is actually a very beautiful bodycon dress, and I got it from New Market. Now this retails for rupees 1050, and I think it's a decent price for the dress. Now the material of this dress is quite thick, so I think it's definitely more winter couture appropriate. This is again in the size L and it just fits me perfectly. Now this is a bodycon dress, so I do need to wear either shapewear or tights, so that it does not look half bad. It is a very simple dress. It's solid color with stripes on it, and this design kind of attracted me a lot towards it, so I cannot wait to style this up during winter. Also, I bought this bodycon dress from New Market from the shop Glamour, and this is their address. And the last clothing item which I have is actually a basic Chikankari Kurta. Now Chikankari Kurtas are extremely in fashion nowadays, and I have always been into wearing Chikankari Kurta. So again, I got this from New Market, and when my mom stepped into that shop, she just went crazy. Like, she literally bought 4 Chikankari Kurtas at once. Each Chikankari Kurta is like $1,000, so we spent like 4,000 rupees on 4 colored kurtis, and we got really amazing colors: a lavender, a pistachio, this baby pink, and a more cyan or a teal sort of a color. And all of these are so beautiful. The pattern and the print on them are really nice as well, and all of these come with inners as well. So, and I mentioned the shop name somewhere over here. The quality of these kurtis are amazing as well. They are of normal cotton material, and the print on it is Chikankari, so it looks really nice. And as all of you all know, it's quite trending, and Chikankari kurtis can really be very expensive, but I feel 1,000 rupees for it, it's quite a decent price. And all in all, it's just a great product. Now the last product which I have for my hauls are surprise sunglasses. Now, if you're me, you cannot have enough sunglasses in your life, okay? But these are the 2 colors, and the shapes were quite unique, so I got them as well. Now, this is a more rectangular shape, and this one also was very like a cool different shape. I've never seen a sunglass like this, so I definitely got these 2. Now, I bought these from New Market from the local stands. I got 2 sunglasses for rupees 225, which is almost rupees 110 or something for each sunglass, which is definitely a steal. And I really like these sunglasses. These are quite peppy and unique, nothing which I've seen before. The main purpose for me to buy sunglasses, in general, is for clicking pictures, and I think these are going to serve their purpose quite well, and I'm really happy with my purchase. And you just cannot have enough sunglasses in your life. So guys, that's it for this haul, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Also guys, I have bought a ton of oxidized jewelry which I have not shared in this haul. I was thinking of making a separate video for it. Do let me know in the comments. Till then guys, stay home, stay safe, and I love you all of you guys. Bye!